So we have a Mitsubishi Evo 9 here. You guys know about this car. This car, it's pretty sad. The engine's gone. There's a lot of metal shavings inside the oil pan on this car. So we are going to go ahead and replace the engine with a brand new one.
Here's the conduit we're wrapping. We're doing a satin black wrap on this one. We're waiting for its 4G auto wheels again. But for now, check out this. This is the grill surround, which is fully wrapped. This is gloss black. We did all the slats too, so that's all gonna go on there. Many people don't believe that we wrap the grills fully. So not painted, it's fully reversible, and it doesn't chip. So really cool. If you have a Rolls Royce, you gotta get it wrapped.
So we have this Mercedes E320. This is the one that we did the convertible top repair. It's done. Now we are doing mechanical. Santos has this car almost wrapped up. So suspension, arms are done. We're doing the fuel pump right now. This car has 2 pumps. We're replacing both fuel pump. Also, we've done a tune-up on this car. We're getting ready for the body work soon. So as soon as the mechanical's out of the way, to the body shop.
Oh, you're gonna give her the E-Class.
Yeah. Someone please call Moses.
Oh my god.
Just in case he misses one, he has the other.
Alright, behind me we have this brand new Aventador S. This is our good buddy Alesso's car. World famous DJ. Just got this Aventador S. It's one of the first supercars he's had, so he's very careful with it and trusted only the best, RDB. So, full satin clear bra. This car was originally gloss black. Now it looks like matte black, but it's actually a satin clear protection film. So it protects the car and it makes it look satin. On this car, nothing else looks better. This is really the true Batmobile car. So enjoy it. On to the next one.
And it stopped the fire too. Oh, it's still on fire. Stick it to patago.
Shut up.
This is going on the roof rack.
And driving?
Yep.
Jesus Christ, stop.
You can lift it.
Get on top. Please, please. Get on top.
I'm not going to.
Get on top.
No, I can't
Get on top.
I can't fall off.
You can't fall off. Yeah, I'll give you a boost. Come up.
No, that's dangerous, bro.
It's not, I promise. No, just hold on. Go lay inside this. Come up, Moses. 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 Come on.
This one's terrible.
Bye. Hey, hold on. Everyone pray for Moses. Pray for Moses.
Get in the car, let's go.
You can see it. Yo, this one's very bad.
Hey, Moise, you got insurance? Life insurance for your kid?
Is it?
You had fool?
Where? Hey, don't punch it though. Don't punch it. Whatever you do, don't punch it because I have no control. I can't, like, it's bad. Hey, don't, because I can't hold on to anything. How you guys doing?
What's up, Moses? How do you feel?
Very scared. Idea. Hey, just whatever you do, don't launch it too much because I can't.
I'm not gonna launch, bro.
You just went 45 miles per hour right now.
Listen, if he launches it, you're gonna die.
He did. I almost fell off. This is the worst idea in the world. I swear. I'm on top of a rack and Vic's driving, and this is very scary. I have no idea. People are yelling out if I'm crazy or not. Bye-bye. People are really commenting it's bad. Are you crazy?
Don't worry. That's it, Moses.
That was not good. That was bad. That was bad.
Here we have a Rolls-Royce Cullinan, one of the many Cullinans that we have customized. It's in satin black. It has a shiny black grille. We left the Spirit of Ecstasy alone. We left that in chrome to match some chrome accents on the car. And it has custom 24-inch wheels ready to go. Check this out.